Good day everyone, I am Mariecris Galarido from BSEd Math 2. Today I am giving my knowledge about partial fraction. As a quick review of a partial fraction expansion of a rational fraction is an operation that consists of expressing the fraction as sum of polynomial and one or several fractions with a simpler denominator. So, in literally speaking, atong himuon sa simpler denominator ang usa ka complex nga fraction which has a complex denominator also. So, I am here today to give my knowledge. So let me show you how to do it. First things first, step number 1, factor the bottom. We have this bottom x squared minus 5x plus 6. So if going to factor it, it will be x minus 2 times x minus 3. So that is step number 1, factor the bottom. And step number 2, write one partial fraction for each of those factors. So, in writing each partial fractions, that's why we came up this a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 3. Ato ang gibungkag ang mga factors nga ato ang na come up, which is x minus 2 and x minus 3 from what we factored bottom x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, mananisidya mao ang one partial fraction for each of those factors. A over x minus 2 and b over x minus 3. That is the step 2. Now, we're going to proceed to step 3. Excuse me. Multiply through by the bottom, we are no longer have fractions. So, after the step 1 and step 2, which has a factor 1 and factor 2, ato ang i-multiply. Ato ang gibutang si numerator 3x minus 5 equals factor 1 and factor 2. So, instead nga, division ang gigamit anhi, in step 3, ato anang gi-multiply. So, 8, which is the factor 1, times x minus 3 plus b times x minus 2, the factor 2. So, this is the step 3. So, we're going to proceed step number 4. Now, find the constants of factors 1 and 2. Factors 1 and 2. Substituting the roots or zeros of x minus 2 and x minus 3. So, mangutan na ta kung asat nagikan ang x minus 2 ug si x minus 3. Always remember nga si x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors nga ato ang gibungkag gikan ni x squared minus 5x plus 6. Mao na ni siya. Ang factors x minus 2 and x minus 3 is also the exponent x minus 2 and x minus 3, which is also the roots of this equation. So, root for x minus 3, si factor 1, muna si maoy, root number 1. So, find the root of x minus 3 is, of course, x equals to 3. Muna si maoy root. So, substitute the zeros. 3 times 3 minus 5 equals a times 3 minus 3 plus b times 3 minus 2. So, this naman tagikan ni 3 times 3 minus 5. Ato ang copy si 3x minus 5. So, niingan man nga sa step 4 is we will going to substitute all the roots man. So, ang x is equal to 3. So, ato ang gi-substitute si 3 ni x. Muna nahimong 3 times 3 minus 5 equals 8 times si x mao man, so substitute si 3 3 minus 3, copy, plus b times 3 minus 2. So, to equate, 3 times 3, 9 minus 5, and 3 minus 3 kay 0 naman, so cancel out. Ang nabili na lamang is si 3 minus 2. And 1, of course, ang answer. So, to cancel out, 9 minus 5 equals b times 1. Bring down 9 minus 5 is 4. Equals 1b. So, to cancel out, bring down 1, 4 over 1, and 1b over 1. So, i-cancel out na nato. Mato na nga. 1 naman na si Jam. So, the answer is 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. So, ato ang b and he is 4. Here we go in root number 2, which is x minus 2. This ata gikan ni 2. Gikan ni 2 is x minus 2 equals to 0. So, find the root. Motong si 2 mo oy, root number 2 na to. Same process. Copy. Substitute x to the root. So, 3 times 2 minus 5 equals a times 2 minus 3 plus b times 2 minus 2. So, cancel out naman si 2 minus 2. 0 naman na siya. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 minus 5 equals a is negative 1. This amata ni negative 1. 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1 man. So, p. Ang nabili na lang man kay si a naman lang kay gi-cancel out man nato si b. So, that's why a is equal to negative 1. So, 6 minus 5 is 1 equals negative 1a. So, cancel out negative 1, both sides. Cancel negative 1a over negative 1. So, ang ato ang a and he is negative 1. Kay 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1 man. So, we have our b and a in these partial fractions. Therefore, we have now our answer. In the equation 3x minus 5 over x squared minus 5x plus 6, which has the factors 3x minus 5 over x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals negative 1 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x minus 3. So, this is our final answer. So, kung mangutan na mo kung this agikan si negative 1, of course, si a man ato ang gipangita adere, di ba? Si a, ang a kay negative 1 man. So, copy negative 1 over x minus 2 plus, copy the sign, b. Atong b kay si 4 man. That's why, gikopy na to si 4 over x minus 3. So, the final answer is 3x minus 5 over x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals negative 1 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x minus 3. This is our too easy, right? In every mathematic problems, there always have a solution in order to find the correct answer. So, that's all for today. Thank you and God blesses everyone. Hope you have learned from this video rather. Thank you.